Hi, good morning children. Welcome to EVS session. Open the page number 175. Yesterday classes we are discussed that sometimes accident do happen. We must learn to do some simple things to help the person immediately. What are the simple things we have to do? First we know that about a first aid. What is a first aid, children? Even if we follow safety rules or we may get hurt at time, it is very important to help when someone gets hurt. The help given to an injured person before a doctor arrives is known as a first aid. It means first we follow the safety rules. Sometime the accident may happen. We get hurt at time, so that time very important, that is help when someone gets hurt, that is injured person, before we are not going a hospital or before a doctor arrive, that we are making a first aid. What is the first aid means? The two important rules that should always be followed. Never First one, never crowd around a person who is hurt. That is first thing. And called an elder or a doctor immediately. I repeat once again. First we have to follow the rules. That is first one, never crowd around a person who is hurt. And call an elder or a doctor immediately. It is important to know how to give first aid to people whenever required. Let us learn some common first aid rules. What are the first aid rules are? In case of cuts and wounds, and clean the wound with a clean water first, then use an antiseptic lotion like a Dettol or Savlon and call an adult. Understood? I repeat once again. In case of cuts and wounds, clean the wound with clean water first. Then use an antiseptic lotion like Dettol or Savlon and call an adult. Second one, in case of burns or putting ice cubes and cold water helps, you can even put an antiseptic ointment. Understood? What? In case of burns or putting ice cubes and cold water helps, you can even put an antiseptic ointment. And third one, in case of a fall, you can put ice cubes on the area, that bruised area, till help arrive. Understood? These are the common first aid rules. Understood? Next, here, if you or your friend hurt yourselves, remember, do not run away, do not get scared, try to keep a calm and think, and first call for an adult. If you cut yourself, put the cut part under flowing water and wrap a clean cloth or bandage around to stop the blood. Second one, if it is a small burn, pour cold water over it and apply a cream. And if you fall down and get hurt and have pain in moving, do not move, send for a doctor. Understood? So, in the first aid box, what are the things we want? First, bandage, antiseptic lotion, scissor, band-aid, cotton. Understood? What are the things we want in that first aid box? That is antiseptic lotion, bandage, cotton, band-aid, scissors. Understood? Yes. Next, exercise part. First one, tick the correct statement. Keep your front door locked. Do not open it to strangers. Keep your front door locked. Do not open it to strangers. That is correct or correct statements? Wrong. Because if you open the door, the strangers came inside in our home. That is very dangerous. So that statement is wrong. We have to, every time we have to lock the main door. We can tease animals, they won't harm us. No, the statement is false. We cannot tease animals, because when we are teasing the animals will get angry and they make attack with with us. So we cannot do like this. That is bad manner. So we cannot tease animals. The statement is wrong. Do not touch switches with wet hands. You can get an electric shock. Yes, that is right. I agree this statement, because we do not touch the wet hands to the switchboards, because the electric shock will happen. The statement is right. There is no need to wear a seat belt while riding in a car. The statement is wrong. The traffic rules, that is, we have to wear a seat belt in a four-wheeler car. We have to put a helmet for our head. That is safety rules. The rules, these are the we have to follow, because it is compulsory need to wear a seat belt while riding in a car. The statement is wrong. Next, fifth question. It is all right to drive a car when you are 10 years old? No. The rules what we said, after 18 years we have to ride a bike. Understood? So it is all right to drive a car when you are 10 years old. The statement is wrong. Understood? First one, keep your front door locked. Do not open it to strangers. The statement is wrong. We can tease animals, they won't harm us. Wrong. Do not touch switches with wet hands. You can get an electric shock. Yes. There is no need to wear a seat belt while riding in a car. No. If it is all right to drive a car when you are 10 years old. Wrong. Understood? Tomorrow we will read next. Travel is exciting. Understood? And tomorrow we will also read a good and bad touch. Understood, children? Okay. Bye. Have a good day.